everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you are all well and you're all keeping safe. Now in today's video I'm going to be finally making my Christmas garland. So in my last video I did a Poundland haul, and in that haul I showed you little bits that I picked up just to go on this garland. It's going to be going on my fireplace downstairs. Also I'm going to be doing one that's going to be going up the stairs and onto the landing as well, but today mainly I'm going to be doing the fireplace ones. I decided to make mine because I just find that in the shops they can be quite expensive, and you know me on this channel, I like to save money, just keep a budget wherever I can, and I just thought for the amount of money that I've spent on stuff that I need for this project, it's so inexpensive and so much cheaper than in the shops. Start off by showing you guys what I picked up, all the bits that I'm going to be using, how I'm going to be gluing it together, all bits like that. I have literally got myself a nice cup of hot chocolate in the most Christmassy mug you could ever find. I actually bought this last year in Aldi's. It was only £4.99. They do them every year, so have a look out for these because they're so nice. And I've also got a little cheeky mince pie cookie from Subway. Couldn't help myself. They've got their Christmas menu out now, so I thought, why not? Why not treat myself? Plus, I think I'm going to need a bit of sugar during this video. I'm going to start off by showing you everything that I picked up to go on this garland. So yeah, let's get into it. So I've laid everything out on the floor. So this is basically what I'm going to be using. So I've got stuff here that I picked up from Poundland. I've also got some Christmas decorations like these bows, and this big bow here, and these snowflakes here. I'm actually using them from last year's decorations. This is basically what I'm going to be using. So for the garland itself, I picked up this green tinsel, but I've never actually seen green tinsel before, but I thought this would be perfect for making the garland. That's 1.2 meters. And I just thought, yeah, that's perfect for what I need. I've also got some bows here. These bows here are from decorations on the tree last year, and this giant bow here is also from decorations on the tree last year. You're also going to need some scissors. You're going to need some batteries because we're going to be putting lights on it. Also a glue gun or any type of glue that you have laying around your house. These baubles from Poundland, literally £1 each, and these are going to be perfect. Also, I picked up these little beautiful glittery snowflakes. I had these last year. I used them as coasters on my table decorations. It's really pretty. I've also got an assortment of lights here. So I've got 3 packs of like the wire lights, and these are in bright white. And then I've also got these ones which are 20 warm white lights. So I'm not sure what I'm going to use yet. I want to see what it looks like on the actual garland when I do it. From B&M I picked up these silver pine cones, £2.50 for a whole box of 12. Also from Poundland I picked up an assortment of foliage. These were just £1 each, but they're so pretty. I'm probably going to be cutting these down. Obviously with the stem they're going to be a bit too long, so I'm going to be cutting these down. So yeah, that is everything I'm going to need to make this garland today. As you can see, it's so inexpensive. Just wish me luck that this goes well, because like I said, I've never made this before. So let's get into how I make it. So before I start anything, I'm going to hairspray all the glittery items that I bought. This just ensures that it doesn't transfer onto your hands or onto the floor. And like I said, the stems are really long, so I'm going to cut them down. And then what I want to do is lay everything out on top of the garland first, just to see how it looks. Maybe if I want to change it up a little bit, because if you glue it all down and you don't like how it looks, you're just stuck with it. Like I said, this bow I had on my tree last year. I've actually got quite a few of them, so I've got more to put on the tree. I really loved the way it looked in the middle. It just added that little centerpiece, and I was just picturing it hanging down in the middle of the fireplace, and hopefully it's going to look really pretty. I realised on the back of it there's a tie-up, and this was so easy to tie around the tinsel and just secure it. It was so easy. I did realise later on in the video that the bow, even though it was secure on the tinsel, it was hanging a little bit, and I wanted it a bit more secure, so I did add glue to the back of the bow, and you'll see that later on in the video. This just made sure that if anyone walked past the fireplace and knocked the bow, it wasn't going to fall off. It was so much more secure just by gluing those little bits on the sides. So with these foliage pieces, I just basically put glue on the back of them and then placed them where I wanted them to sit. I actually placed them either side of the bow. I just felt like it made the bow stand out even more. You can see how easy it is in just gluing and just sticking them down on the garland. It was so easy. Let me know in the comments down below if you recreate this or you've made one of these already, because I would love to know that people are getting busy over the Christmas period and saving so much money. Don't forget, if any part of this video you are enjoying what you see and you want to see more, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, please show some love and some care by liking my video and sharing it with family and friends. Remember, you don't have to use the colours that I've used. I've just gone for silver because it suits the theme in my house. You can use rose gold, you can use pink, you can use anything that would suit the theme in your house. But it was really easy to make and so inexpensive. I saved myself so much money making this. I'm going to leave you guys now, let you watch the rest of this in peace, and then I will catch up with you guys when it is all done.
There's some stains on your photo, little cracks on your rusty frame, stuck in the mud, oh, but it's okay.
So far this is how it's looking. I'm really pleased with it, but I've just realised I haven't put the lights on yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to add any more to it. I like how much is on it. I don't want to put too much on it and it be too over the top, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so I'm really liking how it's turned out. It was so much easier than I thought it was going to be. But yeah, I really like it. Comment down below, what are you thinking? Is it too much? Does it look nice? It was so easy to make, and honestly guys, so inexpensive as well. And I think if you bought something that looked like this in the shop, you would pay so much more money. So I'm so glad I actually made it. So I'm going to put the lights on, and then I'm going to turn the lights on for you guys, show you what it looks like with the lights on, and then I'm going to go and put it on my fireplace and show you what it looks like on the fireplace. So I have finally put the lights on it, and I am absolutely so happy with it. I think it looks so pretty. I literally cannot wait to get it on the fireplace now. But this is what it looks like with the lights on. So I'm going to put this on my fireplace. So I'm going to leave you with some pictures of this on my fireplace. I'm going to have my fireplace on so it looks really cozy and Christmassy. Don't forget guys, if you liked this video today and you want to see more DIYs like this, then please let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video, which hopefully is putting my Christmas tree up. Okay guys, bye for now.